Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm back on the wooden ceiling. When we last visited this ceiling, everything that was on this side of the room is now moved over to that side, and hopefully I can blaze away at this and get the vast majority of it done today. I don't see why not, but who knows. The last time I was working on this, I got to about noon and Natalie wanted to go swimming, and she has her temps, so she needed somebody to drive there with her. So I drove there with her. It's about 12 miles away. No rain in the forecast whatsoever, but by the time we got there, I could see a storm cloud that looked like it was near here, and I rushed home and my saw got wet. So it's been drying out for a couple days. It's just fine. So now I can get back to work on this. So what I'm gonna do today is get probably 3 rows in, and I'll show you how I cut out for the lights, how I mark them, all that stuff. And then once I'm past the lights there, I'll do a time lapse and try to get this whole thing done. The very last board has to be cut, so I'm not 100% sure I can get it done today, but I'm hoping to at least get to about here. I should be able to get it almost done though. So it's gonna be a long day, so let's get started. Okay, I got a center board tapped into place, and what I need to do is tap this over that way until it's dead flush with this line here. But if I start doing that, the other side is likely to pop off and it's just gonna be a mess. So what I do is use a dead man. That's the dead man right there, and I'll show you how I put that on. Okay, that'll do it. We're nice and flush with our line there. Now I just got to go along this and tap it nice and tight. I'll take these 2 lights out. This circuit is disconnected already. And then I'll get right underneath this, and I think I'll use another box like this and just trace out that little arc on this board. Then I got to take this off, pull this board out, and cut those 2 little notches, and then finish up this row. Okay, there you have it. The hardest part is done. I had a few problems with this hole right here. I marked it off an inch incorrectly, and when I was up there with the tape, I said, well, that's wrong. And I just kind of adjusted it by eye. And then when I got it down, I remeasured it and it was an inch off. So I moved it an inch over and now it's correct. Luckily, I measured twice and cut once. I actually measured 3 times, but that's neither here nor there. All right, I have 3 boards, 2 there and 1 out there, and 3 boards here. These are the short side boards, and then I have 3 of the 115-inch ones. What I'm gonna do is when I come back from lunch, I'm gonna cut the 6 boards that meet in the middle like this. So I'll have a full set of 6 boards, and that'll get me right about to here. And once I do that, I'll cut another 6 sets, and then that'll get us over into here. Actually, 3 sets of 6 will get me almost done, and hopefully I can get that done today, but it's already noon. I started at 7, but I did the watering and all that stuff, so I didn't work on this full time. But it certainly takes a long time to get this stuff up there. If it goes smoothly, maybe I'll get this done today, but I'm doubting it. All right, I'm gonna have a quick lunch and then get those boards cut and we'll get back at it. Okay, that is going to wrap it up for today. These 2 boards here are the length for right here, but both of them are in pretty sorry shape. I consider them rejects, but I'll use them if I have to. I have 1, 2, 3, 4.5 boards here. I need roughly 10 to finish this. We have a stack of boards that were sorted through over in the shed. I'm gonna go check those tomorrow and see if any can be used. And the ones that can't be used, I'm gonna run back to the store, return them, get new boards that can be used, bring them back, get them primed. But while I'm at the store, I'm gonna get the wood for this wall here. I have the top and bottom plate, and I have a list of stuff that I need to get for this wall. So I'll pick that up at the same time, and possibly the door. And as soon as this ceiling's done, I'm gonna go right into that stuff. I do have to get these mulls in too, but that goes pretty quick. Once this partition wall is in, I gotta get trim and stuff on here. I don't know how far I'm gonna take that. We gotta get this room done before Natalie's graduation party, which is coming up in about a month. So I really gotta hustle on this. All right, so tomorrow I'll make a video on the whole thing, going through the boards, running to the store, all that stuff. So if you wanna see that, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comments section below. And if you share the video and or give it a like, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.